So hello friends, after a long interval today I have come with another video, and today I am going to discuss what is the significance of political theory, right? Because one of my subscriber requested me to make a video on this topic, and I thought that yes, I should make a video on this topic because this topic is very much important. So before starting the video, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Rajdeep. I read in BA first semester, and I welcome to everyone in my YouTube channel Political Study. And it's my request to everyone, please subscribe my channel so that relevant videos relating to political science will be available to everyone. Okay, now before I start further explanation about the significance of political theory, again I am discussing the meaning of the word political theory for those students who did not watch my earlier video related with this topic. So listen it very carefully, okay? Because if you don't know the meaning of the word political theory, then you cannot understand what is the significance of political theory. So again and again I am saying that listen it very carefully. Now see, political, right? From where the word political has derived? Like the word political is also derived from the Greek word which is polis, meaning what? City state, city states. Now why it was called city state? It was called city state because during that period there was small in size in population, so it was called what? City state. Now in a very simple way you can say political means relating to the government or public affairs of the country, right? So I have discussed the meaning of the word political in a very simple way. Now what is the meaning of the word theory? What is the meaning of the word theory? See, the word theory has derived from the Greek word theoria, which means what? Explanations of anything. Theoria means what? Explanation. Explanation of anything. Okay, theoria means explanation of anything. Now when we talk about theory in political science, that theory basically means what? Theory means an emotional thinking. Suppose if there is a problem, then how to handle this problem, how to give solution to this problem, and if you want to give solution to this problem, you have to involve into this issue. Without involving with any issue, you cannot solve this problem, and you have to understand the historical significance of this problem, that how this problem start, how this problem build up, okay? And then you have to give the probable solution of this problem. So theory means an emotional thinking about a subject. That subject can be anything in a society, and totally getting involved into it and tries to give solution to this problem. This is known as what? Theory. This is very simple. I hope political and theory is clear to all of you. So let's come to our main point. What is the significance of political theory, right? So now I am discussing one of the very important topic in political science, which is the significance of political theory. See, political theory has a great significance in the present scenario of political science and political institutions. In present day, political science and political institution play a major role in our life. So it is a great significance to study political theory, and we will discuss this significance here one by one. So point number one, it helps to understand political theory. See, political theory helps us to understand political realities. It helps us to understand what is our political realities, how our country and how our society is running, which political party is ruling, and what are their objectives and ideologies. These all things we can learn from where? From political theory. So now point number 2. Point number 2 says that significance of knowledge. Significance of knowledge. See, political theory signifies our knowledge about politics. Political theory signifies our knowledge about politics. That means what? It means that it helps us to understand our political institutions and political parties very easily. Point number 3. See, point number 3 says that it legitimates the government. So point number 3 tells us about what are the government legitimacy to maintain the supremacy. The influential classes take recourse to what? To political theory. Point number 4. Point number 4 says that helps to resolve problems. See, in every political system there is some problem. In every political institution facing with some problem. So how to resolve this issue? This also we can learn from where? From political theory. Point number 5. Point number 5 inspires political movements. See, you can see there were many political leaders like Lenin, Rousseau, Gandhiji. They were the political leaders. So if we study political theory, then we can learn more about political movements. So studying political theory is really beneficial. So I hope that the significance of political theory is clear to everyone, and in my next video I shall discuss about what is equality. Okay, so before I end this video, I would like to request to everyone that the situation of India, all of you know that the situation of India is very critical at present due to this COVID-19, which is coronavirus. So please follow the guidelines which is given by the government, and whenever you go outside, please wear this mask and keep this sanitizer with you. And it's my request, please follow the government guidelines, which is very important at present. And if you like my today's video, please press on the like icon, and if you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can comment me in my comment section, and don't forget to share this video with your friend, and please follow me on my Instagram ID.